Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different because today we're going to have a little nerdy shopping day. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to the Action, because last time I was at the Action I got some very cool, a lot of glass. I've got some very cool Kinder Joy eggs with Funkos inside. So I want to get some more, and after that I am going to one of my favorite stores here in Leeuwarden, and that is the Spellekijn. And it's just a lovely store, you will see. And the last thing I'm going to do is go to the thrift store. Also, everything is just here in Leeuwarden. And I've been there a lot of times, but this time I'm just going to look for the nerdy stuff. So let's start this little nerdy shopping day. I've also posted some shorts when you can see they can get Funko Pops here. But now the only ones left are these, the Frontline Heroes. And that's it for now, at least at this Action. Maybe somewhere else they have some more. But it's pretty cool because they're only €4. Also some more Disney stuff, little erasers. Oh, and Harry Potter, so cool. Okay, so these are the Kinder Joy eggs, and there is nothing saying anything about Funko, so that's the strange thing. But there are some inside, and these are demolished a little bit. So I'm just going to go for these two. Okay, it's very sunny, thank God. But the eggs I have in my bag, and now I'm going to walk towards Spellekijn. Of Legos they have. Love it. I do really love this one. This is so cute. This one is €55. Okay, so this is where I got my Lorcana cards, but they only have the starter packs, and I am really looking for the boosters, but they don't have them. Also, they have a very big wall with Star Wars and Harry Potter. So cool. Oh yeah. They also have the Biddy Pops. Okay, so which house are you? I am Ravenclaw. Okay, so now one of my favorite parts of the store, the secret passage. Ooh. I don't know what these are, but these are mystery bags with villains. Okay, these are cute, and they are €8. Okay, so it says here it's a figural bag clip, and I saw on the back they have some mystery ones. I can already see who these are, but maybe I should get one. So on this side they have a lot of Funko Pops, even the big ones. Ooh, and an angry one. Sorry for the reflection. Oh, these are cool. Oh. But they have a lot and even more big ones. Oh, I really want a big Groot. They don't have him here, but someday I will get one. If I turn around, there's another awesome part here with the old TVs. This is so cool. And this is the alley from the other side. Love this. And they also have an upstairs. Okay, so here upstairs they have a lot of puzzles. And if I say a lot, I mean a lot of puzzles. I love this drawing style. It's so cute. So here in the back they have a lot of Warhammer stuff, but there are a lot of people, so I'm not going to talk too much. Okay, so I secured some cool nerdy stuff from the Spellekijn, and now I am going to go towards the thrift store. Okay, let's do some nerd shopping. Okay, so I don't think I'm going to find anything over here. I'm pretty certain that at the toys I'm going to find some stuff. So let's go that way. Ooh, and also with the books, I think. Okay, first books. Yes. Countess, what is inside? Ah. Oh, interesting. But these are really cool. Only 3 of them, but they have this thing. Okay, so I found the price on the back and it's 75 cents. I'm going to get this one. If you hear something in the background, is this annoying thing. But here we have some Mickey and Donald's. Cute. Ooh, even more. And also over here is even more Donald. See something over here? Is it back? This is the Disney stuff. It's only this one. Ooh, and cars. Okay, so the kids section with all of the toys. I found Jafar. Ooh, and some of the mice from Cinderella. Oh, Cinderella herself. And her evil stepmom. And this will cost you €1. Oh, here in this bag is her prince and flounder, and as I see these colors, I think this one is Ariel. I see a Olaf. Go. Go. Oh, it's a memory game, puzzle and dominoes. Okay, so this one is €1. Here says 1. Here says €2. Okay. More Frozen. Okay, so sometimes they here I will find some very cool Disney mugs. Maybe they have them again now. Okay, so here is my bag with my little nerd shopping haul. Okay, I will do it like this. So, as you know, the first things I got were these Kinder Joy eggs. And for now I'm going to leave them like this because I'm going to make 2 shorts out of these. And the next thing I got at the Spellekijn were, yes, was this little villains mystery bag. So I am really curious which one I'm going to get. Also, this one I'm going to open up in a shorts. And I will link everything below so you can see what was inside of this. And I think, I would mostly... Oh, someone is eating kibble. Hi. So I think the one I would prefer most... Oh, I really love Maleficent as a dragon. But I also love the other one, so it really doesn't matter to me. So I'm very curious about this one. And the last thing I got was this one at the thrift store. And at first I thought it was just a magazine or something. But then I opened it up and I got these lovely framed pictures. What is it? It's not a picture, it's a drawing with this in the corner. Exclusive commemorative little graph 1996. I think maybe I'm going to Google this. Okay, so I did a quick Google and you can still buy these for 20 euro and I only paid 75 euro cents. So this was really a steal and I really love these. Especially him, so cute. Such a vibe. So I really lucked out that in every store I found something that I really liked. And I'm very curious about these. I'm so happy. Now, thank you so much for coming with me on this little nerdy shopping day. And I really hope you liked it. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to, subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time. So these are the Kinder Joy. The Kinder Joy eggs. With this in the corner. Exclusive. Thank you so much for coming with me.